Hello dear viewers. Welcome back to Kuki Decor. Summer is finally here, and what better way to soak up the season than by getting hands-on with some fun and inspiring woodworking projects. In today's video, we are diving into perfect wood projects for summer days that will not only enhance your outdoor spaces, but also bring a touch of handcrafted charm to your home decor. Whether you're relaxing on your patio, refreshing your garden, or looking to add some seasonal flair inside your home, we've got ideas that are simple, creative, and totally DIY friendly. From rustic plant stands and cozy outdoor benches to breezy wall art and decorative lanterns, these projects are designed to celebrate the natural beauty of wood while making your summer spaces more inviting and personalized. No matter your skill level, these ideas are approachable, fun, and ideal for warm weather weekends. So grab your tools, a cold drink, and let's turn some wood into beautiful, functional pieces that celebrate the joy of summer living. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss more creative inspiration from Kuki Decor. Let's get started. Summer is the perfect season to get creative with wood and turn simple ideas into functional beauty for your home and outdoor spaces. As the days grow longer and the sun invites us outdoors, there's no better time to dive into DIY woodworking projects that bring a rustic, charming, and handcrafted touch to your surroundings. Whether you're transforming your backyard into a relaxing retreat, refreshing your patio with custom accents, or adding breezy decor indoors, wooden creations have a way of bringing natural warmth and timeless appeal. This season is all about outdoor living and light, airy design, and that's exactly what these summer wood projects aim to celebrate. From crafting cozy garden furniture to building planters, lanterns, and rustic decor for porches or patios, every project can be tailored to fit your style and space, all while making use of affordable materials and your own two hands. Imagine beginning with a weekend woodworking session where you build a simple but elegant wooden bench from reclaimed planks. It sits beautifully under a tree or beside your flower beds, offering both seating and style. Add a couple of handcrafted wooden lanterns made from scrap wood and clear panels to hold candles or solar lights, and suddenly your evenings glow with cozy ambience. These are the kinds of pieces that turn everyday moments into memories, inviting you to slow down and enjoy your space. If you love gardening, you can create vertical planters or tiered herb racks out of old pallets or boards, bringing greenery and life to your outdoor walls or balcony. Not only do these projects give your plants a home, but they also become natural art pieces, combining beauty with functionality. Indoors, summer is all about light, airy textures, and wooden decor fits right in. A great project to try is a wooden wall shelf, simple yet full of character. You can stain it in light oak or whitewash it for a coastal vibe, then decorate with seashells, succulents, and summery trinkets. Or build a slim wooden console table for your entryway using just a few boards and some creativity. It adds storage and charm without clutter. You can also craft wooden photo frames from driftwood or branches collected during summer walks, giving your favorite memories a natural frame that fits perfectly with the season's theme. Another favorite indoor project is a wooden tray or drink caddy, perfect for summer entertaining. Use it to serve cold lemonade, carry barbecue essentials, or just style it on a coffee table with flowers and candles. For families or anyone who loves entertaining, building custom outdoor games from wood is a hit. A DIY cornhole set, tic-tac-toe board with wood slices, or even a rustic backyard Jenga set adds fun and personality to gatherings. These are more than just games, they become summer traditions, crafted by your hands and enjoyed by everyone. Even a simple wooden swing hanging from a sturdy tree can become the highlight of your backyard, offering joy to kids and a nostalgic charm for adults. What's great about summer woodworking is that it doesn't require a huge budget or professional skills. Many of these ideas can be built using reclaimed wood, old pallets, or leftover materials from previous projects. The warm weather makes it easier to work outside, and the projects themselves are often quick, satisfying builds that can be completed in a day or two. It's about enjoying the process, feeling the grain of the wood, the satisfaction of sanding it smooth, joining pieces together, and then watching your creation come to life in your space. And because summer is a season of openness and joy, your creativity can flow freely. Paint your wood projects in bright coastal colors, or leave them natural to soak in the sun. Add boho accents, rope handles, stencils, or rustic metal brackets for extra personality. Each piece becomes a reflection of your taste and effort. Even for beginners, summer woodworking offers a gentle way to start. A simple birdhouse project not only teaches basic cuts and assembly, but also invites nature into your garden. A rustic outdoor table made from 2x4s might become the heart of your next picnic. A wooden towel rack by the pool, or a handmade wind chime with wood pieces and shells can make your home feel like a mini retreat. And don't forget wooden garden markers, cut from small branches and etched or burned with plant names. They are charming, practical, and fun to make with kids. For those interested in sustainability, summer is also a wonderful time to practice eco-friendly woodworking. Reuse what you have, repurpose fallen branches, and give old furniture new life. For example, you could turn an unused wooden ladder into a decorative plant stand or towel rack. Refinish an old chair with a splash of vibrant summer paint. Or create a boho-style hanging shelf using driftwood and twine. These projects not only reduce waste, but they also add character and meaning to your decor. There's something magical about surrounding yourself with items you've made by hand, especially when they are inspired by nature and the relaxed energy of summer. As the sun sets and you sit on your DIY wooden bench with twinkling lights around you, you'll feel the reward of creating something that adds value to your life, something built not just for looks, but with intention and care. That's the beauty of woodworking in the summertime. It's not just about building furniture or decor, it's about building experiences, memories, and a space that feels uniquely yours. Whether you're crafting for relaxation, to beautify your home, or to spend time with loved ones, every nail hammered and board sanded becomes part of a summer story you'll remember fondly. So if you've been waiting for the perfect time to dive into a woodworking project, this is your moment. Let the sunshine fuel your creativity, let the natural beauty of wood inspire your design, and let every project remind you that simple things, built with love, can bring the most joy. With just a few tools and a little imagination, you can fill your summer with projects that are not only beautiful but meaningful. From outdoor comfort to indoor charm, these DIY wood projects are more than just decor, they are your personal touch, shaping a season to remember. Subscribe to Kuki Decor for more ideas like this, and let's keep crafting beauty, one wooden piece at a time. Thanks so much for watching. I hope today's idea sparked some inspiration for your own space. Here at Kuki Decor, we are all about turning simple wood into something truly special. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts or ideas for future projects. And if you haven't already, Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new videos. Your support means the world and helps Kuki Decor keep growing and creating. Until next time, stay creative and keep building beauty.